Okay, I'm back with torque. So, that funny little symbol is symbol for torque. Weight times distance. The crane weighs 7 pounds, and the distance from the pivot point to the line of force is 12 inches. By the way, the line of force always goes through the CG, center of gravity. So we've got 7 times 12 is 84 inch-pounds. Over here, 84 inch-pounds. Now we've got to find the torque of the load and the boom. Now the weight of the load is 4.7 pounds, that's the brick. The distance is 15.39 inches. How did we get that, you say? Well, we've got a right triangle. Hold on. There we go. So here's the boom, that's 45 inches long. Here's the line of force going straight down, which makes a right angle. And the distance from the pivot point to the line of force, that's the distance we're looking for. Remember? Remember cosine? Hopefully you do. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the 45 inches, that's the length of the boom. The opposite side, we don't care. It's this side, the adjacent side. That's the distance from the pivot point to the line of force. Remember we got a right angle there? Tree comes in handy once in a while. So, cosine, we look it up and that's 0.342. The hypotenuse is 45 inches, and the adjacent side, which is what we want, is the distance. So we substitute the numbers. That's cosine 70, that's the distance we want, and that's the hypotenuse, 45 inches. A little algebra. So the distance is 15.39 inches. So, weight times distance. Weight, we know the distance now. Multiply, we get 72.33 inch-pounds. Now, all that's left is the boom. The boom weighs 2.2 pounds. And it's 45 inches long, but, hold on. Here we go. Remember, we have to go through this, the CG, the center of gravity of the boom or whatever we're talking about. The boom is 45 inches long, but the CG is 22 inches from the pivot point. So that's the CG, and that's the line of force. So we got another right triangle. We got the same angle from before, which was 70 degrees. So that's 70 degrees. The hypotenuse is now 22 inches instead of 45. And the adjacent side, that distance, that's what we're looking for. So, run the numbers just like we did before, but, so the weight is 2.2 pounds, oh, wait a minute, we got to find the, well, that comes in the next video. Hold on.